Hi guys, today we've got a really quick and easy chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left out some hair to frame the face, and I'm just going to divide the hair from ear to ear. Now we're going to secure this low to the nape of the neck with a clear elastic band. Next, make a small hole behind that elastic band and we're just going to pop a couple of fingers through. Use your other hand to pass the ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through the hole. Now sweep the remaining hair, not including the ponytail, over to the right hand side. And we're going to put our fingers back through that hole, grab that remaining hair and pull it all the way through. And then combine all the hair, including the ponytail, together. Now we're just going to pop another clear elastic band a couple of inches from the end of that section, making sure you create a little loop of hair at the end. Now we're going to bring that section towards the head and we're just going to slide it behind the previous section and then just pin it to the head using a couple of bobby pins. If your hair's gone a little bit baggy at the bottom, just push it up towards the nape of the neck and secure it with a bobby pin. Now on that left hand side, you're going to use your hand to gently push the chignon towards the head and secure it with a bobby pin or two. Then grab some hairspray and just use your hands to control any flyaways and smooth everything down. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.